How did it change the discussion of Jewish topics, if at all?
It made it open, but I think that the change in this debate happened much earlier, late 70s, early 1980s. Sorry, I'm still 19th century. 1880s, 1980s. And especially at the university, it was very beautiful because with all this communist regime all around, universities were really free places. There was really a place where we could discuss, that we could talk freely, that we could read books that were published out of the reach of censorship. There were samizdat publications, and actually some of the publications were on Jewish topics that I was selling and reading and buying at that time too. Including books that were not at all, how to say, political. There were satirical story by Ephraim Kishon, for example. It was not political at all, but the very fact of publishing it underground meant that this is kind of cultural and political statement. We don't want to have anything in common with those ugly communists. We want to be independent. And that was actually creating this kind of widening area of cultural independence at that time. So I'm saying in this respect it is change for the wider public, but those people who were interested and who participated in academic culture and academic world, the freedom came earlier, I believe. The 1980s, this is the time that things were growing really.